Okay, if you happen to get your Singer Prelude Scholastic 8280 sewing machine and you go to use it and all you hear is the motor racing like this with no movement from the needle, or if you press the bobbin winder to the right, you just hear the motor run and the bobbin winder's not moving, needle's not moving. Not a big problem. Just means that the belt has come off inside the machine, and that's one of the nicest features about this particular machine is its ease and serviceability. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to reattach the belt, and it only takes a few minutes. First thing you're going to want to do is turn off the power switch. You want to unplug the power cord and foot control from the machine. Make sure there's no electricity going to the machine whatsoever. And then we're going to remove the accessory tray. And there's 6 screws that we need to remove. There's going to be one here. And this will take off the side cover. And everything should just kind of come right off. You really don't need to force anything. If you're forcing it, then you could be putting it on wrong. It's kind of like a puzzle. So, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here in the back, and we'll go ahead and remove those. And it's really easy if you actually place the machine down on its front on a maybe a towel or something. I'm doing it like this just so you can see what's being done. And so there's one of the screws, and there's number 2. Three. And 4. And then right here there's this is the 6th total screw that you'll need. Actually, you don't even need to take this out. You just need to loosen this because it's just a little bracket behind there. So just give that a little twist just to loosen the screw so it'll let go of the bracket. And then this back, just a little wiggling, will come right off. And you'll notice over here on the side that the belt has come off of the hand wheel here. And if you look down inside of here, you can see the motor spindle that the belt should be on as well. And it's actually come off of both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just it's kind of a fish and hook type of grab, and I've got it on the motor spindle down here. And then we will just kind of line it up with the teeth here. If you kind of start turning the hand wheel, it'll line the belt back up. Sometimes you may need to give it a twist backwards or forwards to get it to line back up. And again, this is much easier when the machine's laying on its front. But again, for this video, I'm just doing it like this so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And almost got it. You just need to it needs to grab onto the back side of this hand wheel, and usually a few turns of the hand wheel will get the belt back on there. If not, then you may need to take a screwdriver or something just to kind of line it up back in the rear. And we've got it onto that hand wheel. Now when we turn the hand wheel, we'll see this belt turning down in here to the motor, and we'll see the needle moving up and down. Now we're going to reassemble the machine, and all we need to do is place the back cover back on. Again, everything should just kind of line up. If you need to force it, then you might not be doing it properly. The needle plate here, you'll notice there's little lips, and there's several little lips you just need to kind of keep an eye on. There's little lips that go, the back housing that go underneath that needle plate. And again, no forcing. Everything should just kind of pop into place. There's a couple of tabs underneath the bottom here that you'll need to kind of push down, and they'll pop right into place there. But again, no real effort is involved here. We'll go ahead and we need to kind of hold this while we retighten this bracket screw. And then we will put back in our 5 other screws. That's 2. Here is 3. And just, I recommend using just a hand screwdriver, no drills, and just hand tight. There's no need to really wrench them down. The only couple of screws that sometimes require a little effort whenever you're putting them in are these 2 top screws underneath the handle. They're the only, and there's not real. You'll just notice a little bit of resistance there. And then our 6th and final screw will be here on our side housing. Again, everything should just kind of line up just like a puzzle. And we will go ahead and place that 6th screw in there. And all your seams should be flush. And then whenever we replug in the machine here, turn on the power switch and press the foot control, we should now see the needle moving up and down, and also the bobbin winder spinning when we press it to the right. And that's how you correct a slipped belt on the Singer Prelude Scholastic 8280 sewing machine.